The AL600P from Sodick is in the house. Top level. The positional accuracy on this machine is guaranteed for 10 years. No matter how many hours the machine is run, 10 years guaranteed. That's the type of quality you got right here. Small details, we had it taped out to get it kind of the front up, but we don't want to split between the slabs. So we're pulling it back so the entire machine can be on one of these slabs right here without interruption. Keep the rigidity, keep all the precision intact. So Mark, the castings, you guys actually do the castings in-house. You pretty much, all the parts on this machine are done in-house.
It's almost all Sodick on that side of it.
Awesome.
Very few on that side that aren't, but where the ones we don't do Sodick, it's where it makes total sense to go with the best in class on that.
And when it comes to the casting, you guys have your own casting house?
We use a partner in the casting house and bring that in and finish it off in our factory on that side, and then we do the hand scraping to bring it. Yeah,
everything, absolutely
precision. I tell you what, when you're seeing a true artisan work on that side, it's like watching Michelangelo do David on that when you see him make that.
So for Sodick, we never stack an axis, right? We don't put an axis on top of another axis. Why? Because whatever area you have here, you put one on top of it, you just transferred that error. So for us, we start with a base, a rigid cast iron base, and then the Y-axis sits on the back of the T, the base, and the X-axis sits there, so they're separated. Right? So there's no transfer of any inaccuracy. It's a key point of all Sodicks. We do not stack an axis.
So I guess it would be true to say that there's nobody more accurate than Sodick when it comes to EDM.
Absolutely, right? So we hold 1 micron position accuracy on this machine, but it goes further than that, right? I guess with a ball screw machine straight from the factory, could be quite accurate, right?
Okay.
Maybe not 1 micron, but could be close. But with our design, our linear motors, 10 years time, 1 micron.
Yeah, still perfect.
Absolute stability,
never changes.
And that's our
guaranteed.
warranty, 10 years. We have machines 20 years old in the field, still 1 micron.
And that's why it's like the gold standard. Oh man. I just want to say something. Dave, can you come over here real quick? I want to congratulate you on your retirement. So I've gotten to know Dave a little bit, and 22 years as CEO. Big things in the industry beyond that. And now you're stepping away. But what I love is that he is just over here working with Mark, and Mark is the new. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you very much.
So good, man.
Yeah.
And like you said, just brilliant, like a brilliant man, but a brilliant relationship and company that you'd have leadership that combines together to actually make sure the person coming in has everything that he needs and all that. And man, it's an honor to work with you guys. Thank you for the partnership, man.
Absolutely.
At the end of the day, it's about education. 450,000 current students learning on Titans of CNC. Pretty soon, we're gonna have an EDM academy. You get an EDM, you basically go in there, you're gonna be able to just learn how to turn the machine on, learn how to program it, tool it up, all of it. And so you can make money for your own families. Boom. It's so clean. Look at how clean this is. So the machine is now set up. Everything's good. The electrical now has been run. We had Adrian come in, hook it all up. And I'm just like look at how it's all contained. Like, it's so absolutely perfect. Literally one of the most beautiful machines I've ever seen. It's like the gold standard right there. Sodick, got the blue over here. And you wanna see something cool? You come around, check out these doors. They're not just black doors, they're carbon fiber. When you look at the quality of the carbon fiber, just absolutely beautiful inside. This is in the Sodick family of the most precise EDMs on the planet. Absolutely stunning. What's up, Trevor?
Hey, what's up,
Trevor's
Bob?
over here already playing with it, and can I actually, I wanna open this thing up. Do it. One thing, I did it already, but I wanna show you, you literally grab this, and it's just so smooth. It's so smooth, incredible. And you come in here and the design is just so absolutely beautiful. So, Trevor, what do you think, man? First impressions, everything's running now, you're getting ready to do your first setup.
Yeah, I've been impressed with everything. I mean, right off the bat, you look at this, and you've got ceramic on the upper head, you got ceramic on the lower head, the whole bottom of this thing's ceramic. Everything holding the table up is all made out of ceramic.
The workmanship and the quality is on another level. Thus, you look at all of it. You look at the movement, you look at everything, and the rigidity, and it all lends itself to the accuracy of the machine. 10 years. They guarantee it for 10 years that it's going to be absolutely perfect. And nobody has actually come with a claim. That says something.
Yeah, and unlimited hours too. Run the machine as much as you want, and it'll hold 1 micron after 10 years.
I mean, absolutely amazing, right? And we look at the quality, we talk about all of it, and the linear motors and everything, and the accuracy, but there's actually something cool about the machine too. So, Trevor, let's actually turn the power off and show them a little something.
You want to see? All right, so disconnect the air. Now check this out. You guys are going to love this. So when we talk about linear motors, they're frictionless, right? So this gives you an idea how smooth these things are. I mean, that is butter smooth. You can just move this thing around with virtually no effort whatsoever. And it's because it's frictionless. There's no mechanical interaction between a ball screw and a nut. So because of that, there's no wear. You don't have any maintenance. You don't have to grease the ball screws or clean the ball screws. I mean, they just run for hours and hours, and they hold 1 micron for years.
Super cool, right? So that's the end of this video. We're gonna actually, in the next video, we're gonna go through the controls, we're gonna go through the machine, we're gonna do a setup, we're gonna do some cuts, we're gonna teach you everything you need to know about this machine and educate you. So if you ever wanna get a machine or you wanna jump into the world of EDM, you can actually have those skills, or you can just learn something that's super interesting. Boom. Thank you, brother.
You bet.
Beautiful. Congratulations on the Christmas present. It's not even Christmas, and he's got it. So good, man. Yep. Great job, brother. Boom.